What up, world? I'm Steve, founder and CEO of CryptoCrewUniversity.com. Today we have a powerful video to get to. It is 3 must-know warnings in Bitcoin and in crypto. If you guys are new here, we welcome you in to this powerful movement. You definitely want to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button right now. First, exciting news. My website is live, CryptoCrewUniversity.com. It's crypto classes made simple. 3 overall goals for these classes in my websites. Number 1, save you time. Number 2, remove that anxiety with crypto. And number 3, no longer make losing trades. Learn how to make winning trades. So I recommend you start by reading the reviews. What have students said that have taken my classes? This part makes me really excited, really happy, and it's quite fulfilling for me because this is my life purpose, to teach and to change people's lives, and I feel blessed. It's 4.9 out of 5 based on 87 reviews. We're going to read a review in a second. I was wrong about the website. I thought that the top seller would be the intermediate or advanced. Instead, these are neck and neck for top selling on the website, and it's multiple classes to really impact your life here in crypto. If you click on the reviews, you get to this page. Again, check out what students are saying. Let's see, Danny from California. Next to marrying my wife, taking these classes are the best thing I have ever done. I've taken all 3 classes, and now I'm very confident in what crypto is, how to read charts, what strategies I need to become successful. This is what wakes me up in the morning, guys. This is my motivation to help you make a huge impact. Outstanding course, great content, excellent classes, the best teacher I have ever come across. So thank you, guys. Let's jump into this video. What I wanted to give you is some perspective of the cryptocurrency market and under a different light than you may have heard from some other YouTubers. I want to do the 3 powerful warnings, and we're going to start with number 1 is consensus, not to be confused with consensus week in crypto. This is consensus, meaning what are the overall majority of people saying. If the majority of people are saying one thing, it's more than likely going to be the opposite, and that's simple because 90% of investors fail. So what I mean by that is when we were over here in crypto, the high majority of people were saying that we're going to 30,000, we're going to 40,000 or 50,000. 50,000 was really highly talked about around this time in crypto. What actually happened was the opposite. We fell down pretty drastically. And then we caught this 50-day moving average and we had a run up. The majority of people at this point were saying, Bitcoin is going back to 20,000. We're going to test 20,000. What actually happened was the exact opposite. Again, each time we have a situation where the majority of people are saying something, it always is the opposite. And it's simple because the majority fail at crypto. It's just that simple, guys. So we went on a big downfall. When we were down, approaching these lows, the majority of people started saying Bitcoin 1,000. Bitcoin is going to 1,000 or Bitcoin maybe to 2,000. What did we do? We stopped at 6 and we went on a big run. We did the opposite again. When we went up to these levels in crypto, everybody started saying, this is it. We've seen the bottom and we're going back to 20,000. That's what the majority of people said, and we did the opposite. We fell down to these levels, and you guys know that it really started to be a loud majority when we were at these levels saying we are now in a bull market, Bitcoin bull market. What did we do? The opposite. We fell back down. So what I want to say is right now in crypto, look around you guys. What are the majority of people saying? The majority of people saying are, hey, June is going to be an enormous month in crypto. We're going on a big rally in June. I just want to preface this by saying I too think that we're going to be in a big rally in June. We started talking about it last week, but now I'm getting a little bit nervous because that's the majority of people now. So keep that in mind as we move forward. That's number one. We need to do the opposite of what the majority of people are saying. Number two, the consensus is, number two, is that we've seen the bottom. Bitcoin 6K is the bottom. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. Why? Because we've triple bottomed and there's no way we're going below 6K. Warning sign number two is this could definitely not be the bottom. And let me explain how that could be true. Number one, the majority of people are saying it, so it's probably not true. The second thing is, we made a big change in trend here in Bitcoin at this moment. It was pretty drastic and it was a very pivotal point in Bitcoin's history. Why? Because we made our low here and then we made a higher low. That is a trend reversal. Trend reversal meaning, hey, we were in a clear downtrend, bear market. This started to change that trend to allow us to go up. We furthered that by making this higher low. So we made a low, a higher low here, and then another higher low just recently. That's fantastic. That's a change in trend. However, if we're not able on this next move to get above 10K, we have done the reverse. We've reversed that uptrend. It's very simple, guys. We have created a higher low. We need to create a higher high. A higher high on this move is above 10K. If we don't break 10K, we could definitely break 6K. I just want to put that out there. It's not widely talked about because it's not really happy and butterflies and rose petals, but I'm here to give you guys the truth, all right? Above anything, you guys know that sometimes I have really good news and sometimes I have bad news. I just want you to be aware that the consensus is saying 6K is the bottom, but that's how we could potentially have a reversal if we do not get above 10K. And the last warning sign is this level. And we've talked about it in many videos, but I just want to make it very clear that this price right here, 11,500 to 12,000, is the most critical price of all of Bitcoin. If we confirm above that, I will begin to say we're in a bull market. However, if we get above 10K, which I think we may, we're going to then test this level. If we get rejected by this level, even if we do break 10K, 6K is still in play, and below 6K is still in play. In fact, I still, until we get above here, I still think 3K is in play. Just to be very blunt and very frank with you guys, I'm not here to FUD this. You guys know my channel. We don't FUD, we tell the truth, the honest truth, the truth that's not widely talked about. We try to stay a couple steps ahead of the market, and I just want to put that out there that those are my three warning signs: the consensus, the levels that we spoke about, and this 10K and 11.5 are super critical. So just keep that in mind. I want to follow that up with one message from my heart to the crypto group, because I do read some of your comments and I want to make something clear, just straight from the heart to you guys' ears. What I've seen in the cryptocurrency market with YouTubers is across the board, the high majority are paid to promote things. And it's not just that they're paid to do ICO reviews and interviews with CEOs and talk about different crypto apps and crypto websites. They're pushing those products and services not in an honest way. They're not allowed to be honest under contract. I get all those emails from those people too, and I hate that stuff with a passion. And I wanted to stand against that from day one here on this channel. And I talk about my classes. The reason I talk about my classes is I built those with these two hands. And I am so passionate about teaching, and I stand behind those classes 1000%. And the reason is simple, because it's helping people all around the world make their life better in crypto. I'm saving people time, I'm taking their anxiety away, and I'm teaching them how to make winning trades and not losing trades. So when I talk about my classes, that's the reason behind it, is I believe in it 1000%, and it makes me so, so, so happy to receive those emails from my students. Steve, I am learning so much in your classes. I cannot believe it. I didn't expect to learn this much. I am now confident. You have saved me time. You have taken away my anxiety. And that's what wakes me up in the morning, guys, to be completely blunt with you. This channel is always going to be about learning. We're not going to do paid crap on here from anybody. I will never accept that. But I will talk about things that I believe in with my heart, wholeheartedly. So I just want to make that point clear. Last point to the crypto crew. I just want to say we're going to be changing our name here. So don't be concerned. Right now it's Steve and Pauline. I think that's a terrible name. We're going to be changing it to Crypto Crew University. All right? So if you see some notifications come up, who is this Crypto Crew University? It's still the same channel, still the same links, don't worry, but just the name is going to change. And then I'm going to remind you that we're going to be changing the profile picture as well, just to keep our brand very concise. All right? So I want to hear from you guys if you have further warning signs. Are there further warning signs that you've read about or in your research that you're discovering? Let me know in the comments things that you are looking out for in crypto. And let me hear if you guys think we're going to pass 10K. On this next move, do you think we're going to pass 10K? Would love to hear from you in the comments, and I try to answer as many of you as I can. And I look forward to welcoming you into the classes. CryptoCrewUniversity.com. Crypto classes made simple, save you time, get rid of that anxiety, and make winning trades. Great to see you guys today. By the way, this is France, and we're going to be traveling to Italy tomorrow. So I'll see you guys in Italy. Peace and love to the crypto crew. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Keep smiling. Keep being positive, everybody. We have enough negativity in the world, so I love to see that positivity in the comments. Keep that coming. That keeps me motivated. There's already enough negativity in the world, guys, so keep that positive, keep that smile, and believe in yourself. Let me know in the comments as well if you guys have taken up that practice that I shared with you a few videos ago. That will change your life. You say that in the mirror every day. I believe in myself. No matter what happens around you, it will change your whole persona and your whole outlook on everything. So that's my last words of advice. We'll see you in the next video. Peace and love to the crypto crew.